Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize schema markup updates in Google Search Console, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Search Console website. Log in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, select the property you want to manage from the list on your dashboard. Click on the URL inspection tool located in the left sidebar. Enter the URL of the page you want to authorize schema markup updates for in the search bar. Press Enter to perform the inspection. After the inspection is complete, you will see various details about the URL. Look for the section labeled Coverage to ensure the page is indexed. Next, scroll down to find the Enhancements section. Click on Structured Data to review the existing schema markup. If you need to update or add new schema, click on the Enhancements icon in the left sidebar. Select the specific type of structured data you wish to implement. Follow the guidelines provided by Google for that type of schema markup. Make the necessary updates directly on your website or content management system. After making the changes, return to the Google Search Console. In the URL inspection tool, re-enter the updated URL and press Enter again. This time, look for an option that allows you to request indexing. Click on Request Indexing to notify Google of your updates. Monitor the indexing status in the coverage report over the next few days. Check the Enhancements section in Google Search Console regularly for any updates or errors. Once your schema markup is acknowledged, you can verify that it is functioning correctly using the Rich Results Test tool. By following these steps, you'll successfully authorize and manage schema markup updates in Google Search Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.